Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a Google Calendars. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Calendars app, and after this, in here you can edit your Google Calendars. Maybe in here I have one meeting, so you just click on the date, and after this, in here you can click on the reminders like this. And after this, if you wanna change the date, or maybe you wanna delete the meeting, so you just click on the three dots icon and then click on delete. But if you wanna edit your meeting, so you just click on the pen icon at the top, click on it, and then in here you can edit your meeting. Maybe you can edit your date or all day, or you can share to your friend at a Google Meet. But in here I want to try to delete, so you just click on the three dots icon at the top, and after this, in here you just click on the delete. Okay, delete and finish. So that's how to edit a Google Calendars. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.